After extinguishing a paint locker fire, use the fixed CO2 system. The next action is to have the space. Answer is left closed with the vents off until all boundaries are cool. Second question, after abandoning ship, you should deploy the sea anchor from the life raft to, correct answer is, stay in the general location. Third question, a crew member reports that the high pressure alarm lights of low pressure CO2 fire extinguishing system is illuminated. The most possible cause of this condition would be that the tank cooling system has malfunctioned. Fourth question, a fixed CO2 extinguishing system for the missionary space without a stop wall in the line leading to the protected space is actuated by, answer is, one control. Fifth question, wood, plastic, paper are classified as class A. Sixth question, to fight class C fire, you would be the extinguisher of dry powder. Seventh question, which of the following actions will be most effectively prevent fire in the cabin? Answer is, install fire detecting device. Eighth question, what danger to personnel exists when a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher is discharged in a small enclosed space? Answer is suffocation. Ninth question, why should CO2 extinguisher be used with caution in confined space? Correct answer is, it will displace the air and reduce the amount of oxygen available. 10th question, what is the method of fighting fire? Answer is by cooling method, by smoothing method, and by the starving method. 11th question, hearing emergency alarm, carry your life jacket and rush to, correct answer is, muster station. Auto ignition is the ignition of the flammable material without the assistance of an external source of ignition. 13th question, what is the general emergency signals to be sounded by the ship whistle and alarm bells in case of 7 short blast followed by 1 prolonged blast? 14th question, a frying pan on the galley stove catches fire. Which of the following should not be used in this type of fire? Correct answer is use of water extinguisher to put out the fire. 15th question, quick closing valves can be operated from a remote location. True. 16th question, after every use the fire hose must, option A, be hung up to the dry and later correctly stored. 17th question, which of the listed fire extinguishers can be easily recharged on board ship? Correct answer is carbon dioxide. 18th question, class B fire extinguishers are used to put out combustible metal and metal alloy fires. False. 19th question, an exit route consists of 3 parts of exit access, exit and exit discharge. Correct answer is true. 20th question, fire watch should be performed during and after all hot works activities. Correct answer is true. 21st question, what is the only reliable way of checking that the CO2 cartridge in a dry powder extinguisher is full? Correct answer is weighing of CO2 cartridge. 22nd, a fire occurring in the windings of an electric motor, it considered as class C fire. 23rd, what is the explosion proof switch box in the pump room? Correct answer is gas may enter, but even if the explosion takes place, the fitting is so strong that the explosion will be contained within it and will not be blown. 24th question, where will the ship officers find necessary information regarding the ship fire protection arrangements, fire detection equipment and fire extinguishing appliance with respect to SOLAS chapter 2 and regulation 20.1 in permanently exhibited fire control plans? 25th question, where shall manually operated call points in fixed fire detections and alarms be located in accommodation space at exits in the corridor? 26th question, the flammable range of a gas is between LFL and UFL in the air. 27th question. In case of diesel driven fire pumps, for how long period shall the fuel tank capacity allow the pump to run at full pump capacity? That is 3 hours. 28th question. What is the general requirement for closing mechanism of the ventilation on a ship other than one carrying more than 36 passengers? Correct answer is must be possible from outside the space. 29th question. When fighting a large fire on your vessel and attacking it from above the space on the fire, it is important to rotate personnel due to heat stress. 30th question. When fighting a large fire on your vessel and attacking it above the space on the fire, it's important to stand erect to avoid the heat on the deck.